Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to walk you through the steps to cancel your MetaQuest Plus subscription. Whether you are taking a breakdown from here or just regulating your subscriptions, we have got you covered. So let's get started. First, open the MetaQuest app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with your Quest Plus subscription. Now tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, scroll down and select settings. Now under settings tap on subscriptions. Now here you will see a list of your active subscription. Find and tap MetaQuest Plus. On the subscription details page, tap on cancel subscription. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap confirm to finalize the cancellation. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your MetaQuest Plus subscription. Remember, you are still have access to the benefits until the end of your cancel billing cycle.